All right. Good afternoon, all my online viewers. I'm very delighted today, very happy, excited to guide you on how to balance chemical equation. Now look at this, consider this equation so well. If you consider this equation, we have 2H2 plus O2 plus 2H2O. Then I ask you a question. Is this equation balanced? Of course, yes. How do you know? Because the number of hydrogen at the reactant side equals the number of hydrogen at the product side. The number of oxygen at the reactant side equals the number of oxygen at the product side. So that makes the equation balanced. Now the coefficient of hydrogen is 2. And the subscript of hydrogen is 2 also. The total number of hydrogen at both sides is 4 because the coefficient multiplies the subscript. That is how to go about it. Note that the sign between coefficient and subscript is also multiplication, not addition. Now it may interest you to know, look at this, that some students will begin to say 2 plus 2 is what gives us this 4. It is not true. So if 3 were to be here, you will now say 3 plus 2, that will give you 5. You will be wrong. So the sign between the coefficient and the subscript is sign of multiplication. A sign of what? Multiplication. A sign of what? Multiplication. So let's go on now. For oxygen, the number of oxygen at the reactant side is 2 because the subscript of oxygen at reactant side is 2. Take that into your mind. At the product side, the coefficient of water is 2. And this affects both atoms of hydrogen and oxygen, thereby makes the oxygen at the product side to have 2 atoms. Do you get it? Now, the coefficient affects it. That's the reason for this oxygen to be 2. Though you could call it 1, but because the coefficient is 2, so that 2 is also affecting oxygen. Hope that has gotten into your mind. Now look at this. Look at this interesting one. Ensure you understand this rule very well before you move further. Ensure you understand it very well. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please press the subscribe button below. You will get into it, then other videos you will begin to see them. Have a lovely day